Lobsters are fascinating critters that are also delicious to eat. They are a significant commercial product, and they make substantial contributions to their respective ecosystems worldwide. Their powerfully muscled tails and big pincers make them simple to identify in the wild, but they are also easy to see on a dinner menu. This video will explore where lobsters fit in the animal kingdom and the world's largest lobster. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. To appreciate the relative size of the largest lobster ever, it's important first to understand what lobsters are like in their natural environment. Crustaceans are a subgroup of arthropods, and they are classified as such. Lobsters are the heaviest arthropods on the planet. Crabs, prawns, krill, woodlice, crayfish, and barnacles are other crustaceans. The majority of lobsters can weigh up to 15 pounds and range in length from 9.8 to 19.7 inches. They can be found in all oceans across the world, and they prefer to dwell alone in rocky nooks or burrows. Lobsters typically live between 40 and 50 years, but determining the age of wild lobsters is difficult due to the lack of accurate dating methods. Lobsters have blue blood, which results from copper-containing hemocyanin in their bloodstreams. According to their diet, lobsters are omnivores who eat a variety of different foods. They typically prey on other crustaceans, worms, mollusks, fish, and various plant materials, among other things. There have been reports of cannibalism in both captivity and the wild, although these are extremely unusual occurrences. Examining the stomach contents of lobsters who ingest their shed skin after molting, which is widespread in the lobster population, can lead to incorrect interpretations of cannibalism. Lobsters are prey to a range of predators, including humans, large fish, other crustaceans, and eels. Fishers in North America, particularly in the northern Atlantic Ocean, frequently catch lobsters, including the world's largest lobster. Lobster fishery generates $450 million in revenue in Maine alone. Known as the lobster capital of the world, Nova Scotia is home to the world's largest lobster taken in the province's waters. Spiny lobsters from California are abundant off the coast of the Pacific Ocean and are quite popular among recreational fishers. In North America, the most popular method of catching lobsters is with a baited one-way trap known as a lobster pot, which is equipped with a color-coded buoy. Diverse lobster species from the Atlantic Ocean can be found in large numbers in the waters off the coasts of the United Kingdom, Norway, other European countries, and northern Africa. In addition, a variety of lobster species that are less well known in the worldwide lobster trade can be found off the coastlines of Australia and New Zealand. Lobster fishing, whether done by amateurs or for commercial purposes, can be accomplished using a variety of approaches. The lobster pot is only one kind of lobster fishing. There are other methods like trawling, gill nets, hand fishing, and spearfishing. Trawling and gill nets are heavily restricted, and in many countries, they are only permitted for commercial purposes. Many countries also impose a maximum restriction on the number of lobsters that recreational fishers can catch. In Shediac, New Brunswick, Canada, the world's largest lobster is a concrete and reinforced steel sculpture by Canadian artist Winston Branham. The statue, which measures 11 meters in length, 5 meters in height, and weighs 90 tons, is made of bronze. It was commissioned by the Shediac Rotary Club as a homage to the town's lobster fishing industry, and was unveiled on June 15, 2010. The sculpture was completed in 3 years at the cost of $170,000, and it took 3 years to finish. It receives approximately 500,000 visitors per year. Contrary to common misconception, this is not the world's largest lobster. The record was formerly held by the Big Lobster Monument in Kingston, South Australia, until 2015, when Xinjiang, Hubei, China constructed a 100-ton lobster/crayfish sculpture. Lobsters have also been a source of debate in the past regarding ethical practices of animal butchery. Historically, it has been normal to boil lobsters alive before preparing them for consumption. However, lobsters must either die quickly or be rendered unconscious before being prepared in some countries, like Switzerland. Devices that electrocute and stun lobsters before killing them are available, and they represent a more compassionate method of killing lobsters. A similar vicious process, pithing, involves putting a metal rod into an animal's brain, which is widely denounced. The lobster's brain is complex and contains 3 ganglia, which are nerve cells. Damage to the frontal ganglia caused by pithing will not kill the lobster, but will cause it to become disabled. In the United Kingdom, there are only a few laws in place to protect invertebrates. In 2021, the Animal Welfare Sentience Bill will be reviewed by Parliament to protect lobsters from painful preparation techniques if scientists confirm that they are sentient. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.